What's the meaning of alley cat? Alley cat. Alley cat. Alley cat. Alley cat. Alley cat.
Alley cat typically refers to a stray or feral domestic cat that roams and scavenges in urban alleys and streets. These cats are often considered wild and untamable, as they have adapted to survive independently without human care. Due to their roaming and scavenging behavior, alley cats can sometimes be seen as a nuisance or pest by some people. However, there are also those who advocate for the humane treatment and care of stray cats, and may work to trap, neuter, and release them back into their communities.